Welcome to Classes with Atish. In today's lesson, we will do a very quick introduction to trigonometrical identities. We'll start with Pythagorean identities. To explain this, we'll go with the unit circle that we discussed a few days earlier. So just to remind you, what is an unit circle? A unit circle is a circle with a radius of 1 unit. So which means if we draw out an arm, the radius is 1 unit, and if we draw a perpendicular on the x-axis, so this is a right angle triangle, this point is x comma y, so it means this height is y and this distance is x. Now since this is a right angle triangle, it follows from Pythagoras theorem that the base square plus the height square is equal to the hypotenuse square, which is 1 square is 1. Okay, we also know that y is actually sine theta, where theta is this angle. So sine theta is the opposite side divided by hypotenuse, and x is cos theta, because cos theta is defined as the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. So from which it follows, if we substitute x and y in this equation, so x square plus y square equals 1, so which means cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. So that's the first trigonometric identity and the most basic one. So from this we can derive a few more identities. Let's say we divide both sides by cos square theta. So what will happen is cos square theta divided by cos square theta plus sine square theta divided by cos square theta is equal to 1 divided by cos square theta. So which means this cancel out to be 1. Sine by cos is tan theta. So 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1 by cos is sec theta. So this is sec square theta. Okay. So this is identity number 1. This is identity number 2. Okay. Now similarly, if we divide equation 1 by sine square theta, let's see what happens. So cos square theta divided by sine square theta plus sine square theta divided by sine square theta equals 1 divided by sine square theta. So cos over sine is actually cot theta. Now because we have a square, so it becomes cot square theta. Sine square theta and sine square theta cancel out and it becomes 1. And 1 over sine theta is cosec theta, so this is cosec square theta. Okay. We can say this is identity number 3. Okay, let's look at another way how we can rearrange equation number 1. So we can say cos square theta is equal to, if we bring sine square theta to the other side, 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, we can write as cos theta times cos theta, and 1 square minus sine square theta, we can factorize this as 1 plus sine theta multiplied by 1 minus sine theta. Okay. Now let's do another step here. If we divide both sides by cos theta and 1 minus sine theta, so what will happen is we will get cos theta divided by 1 minus sine theta, and this side also we are dividing by cos theta and 1 minus sine theta, so 1 minus sine theta and 1 minus sine theta gets cancelled out. In the numerator we are left with 1 plus sine theta divided by cos theta. So this we can say is identity number 4. Okay. There are a few other ways how we can rearrange this equation. Instead of doing cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta, we can say sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta, and then if we rearrange, then we will get a different equation which will be sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta equals 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. So we can say this is identity number 5. Okay. Another identity we can look at is, let's say, equation number 2. We can rearrange that as 1 equals sec square theta minus tan square theta, and we can factorize this. This becomes sec theta plus tan theta multiplied by sec theta minus tan theta. So, and if we bring one of them on the other side, so 1 divided by sec theta plus tan theta is sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, so this could be identity number 6. Similarly, we can start with equation number 3, and we can say 1 equals cosec square theta minus cot square theta. And if we do a similar simplification, then this will turn out to be 1 by cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to cosec theta minus cot theta. Okay, this could be another form. So you can see all of these are called Pythagorean identities because these are all derived from the basic equation, which is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1.